Polaris Dawn is set to make history as SpaceX embarks on a mission that will push the boundaries of human space exploration further than ever before. Scheduled to launch on Tuesday, August 27th, this 5-day journey aboard a Crew Dragon capsule will carry 4 crew members into orbit, venturing farther from Earth than any human since the Apollo era. But what truly sets this mission apart is the groundbreaking spacewalk set to take place on the 3rd day of the mission. Jared Isaacman, the billionaire tech entrepreneur who not only funded but also organized Polaris Dawn, and Sarah Gillis, a SpaceX engineer, will step outside the Crew Dragon capsule, marking the first spacewalk ever conducted by a private mission. The spacewalk, or extravehicular activity, EVA, is scheduled for Thursday, August 29th, and while the exact time is yet to be announced, anticipation is already building for this historic event. The EVA will be an intricate operation requiring careful coordination and precise execution. The Crew Dragon capsule does not have an airlock, which means the entire interior will be exposed to the vacuum of space as the EVA begins. For this reason, the other crew members, mission specialist Anna Menon and pilot Scott "Kid" Poteet, will also don their EVA suits, ensuring they are prepared for the harsh environment outside the capsule. The entire EVA process will take about 2 hours, from venting the capsule to repressurizing it afterward. However, the actual time spent outside the capsule will be considerably shorter, with each crew member expected to spend just 15 to 20 minutes in the vast expanse of space. Isaacman and Gillis will conduct their spacewalks sequentially, carefully maintaining at least one point of contact with the mobility aids engineered by SpaceX for the mission. This approach ensures a controlled and safe operation, avoiding the more dramatic, free-floating experiences seen in past spacewalks like the iconic one performed by Ed White in 1965. This EVA's primary objective is to mark a milestone and gather crucial data that will inform future space missions. Isaacman and Gillis will perform a series of tests on the EVA suits developed in-house by SpaceX. These suits are not just a one-off creation for Polaris Dawn. They are part of a broader effort to refine the technology needed for future space exploration, including potential missions to Mars. The tests conducted during this EVA will provide valuable insights that could shape the design and functionality of suits for future astronauts, including those who may one day walk on the Martian surface. Polaris Dawn is the first of 3 planned missions in the Polaris program, each designed to push the limits of human spaceflight further. While this mission is groundbreaking in its own right, it also sets the stage for even more ambitious endeavors. The 3rd Polaris mission is expected to be the first crewed flight of Starship, SpaceX's massive spacecraft designed to help humanity settle on the Moon and Mars. The success of Polaris Dawn will not only make history, but will also pave the way for these future missions, bringing humanity one step closer to becoming a multiplanetary species.